Hi Leo, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your weekly love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or may not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, you can take guidance from this reading, and if it not resonate with you, you can ignore it. And for covering every area of your love life, I'm gonna take four cards for your partner's feeling, attention, and consideration. Four cards for your feeling, attention, and consideration, and two cards for your mutual feelings. Okay, let's get started, Leo. What is the Leo person's feelings towards Leo? What is the Leo person's feelings towards Leo? What is the Leo person's feelings towards Leo? And we are having here Page of Swords, King of Swords, Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Wands. So, what are the Leo's feelings toward this person? What are the Leo's feelings toward this person? Four of Cups, Ten of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, and the Tower. So what are the mutual energies? Six of Pentacles and Eight of Pentacles. Okay, these are your cards and sign that could related to your person. It could be any Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Page of Sword and King of Sword. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles, and Ace of Pentacles. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Four of Cups and Ten of Cups. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands. Okay, let's talk about your person's feeling, Leo. Your person is spying on you, and this person is really like pose. Their feelings are pose. They feel like they are so robotic. They are so straightforward. Their feelings are just like in a mute. I guess their feelings are muted, and this person is collecting information and spying on you, and a little bit curious about you, what is happening in your like life. And also this person want to offer you love step by step. This person is a little bit slow. uh, this person is bad at this thing, like showing love and how to propose. I guess this person is bad at this. Yeah, this person is like a little bit not so, they don't know how to explain, how to say that they love you, and their feelings are just like that, like they're so straightforward. But like straightforward like that, they okay, that's how our relation, they are like that how our relationship work. Ask you out, go on a date, spend some time, and within a time you get to know each other and develop understanding and develop this relation step by step. This person is like that. This person want to take this relationship slowly, and this person is collecting information like what you like, what you dislike, you where you go, and which places. Maybe that kind of information they are collecting. Yeah, highly I can say that. And this person is carrying some kind of burden. Maybe this person is a little bit there is restrictions and obstacle in this person's way. Like they want to offer you love, but this person is a little bit maybe project things, work things, and a lot of other stuff in their way, and they want to find time for you, just offer you love. And they are collecting they may be waiting for a good move, right movement. They are waiting for a right moment, and this person is so straightforward, and their feeling is so like paused right now. They don't know what they feel right now, but they do know they love you, and they want this beautiful like relationship with you. Let's talk about your feelings, and you are like, no, this, if you are this person, and this person is gonna offer you this love, you are gonna say no. first of all, you want completion in your life, you want a happy family in your life, you want an ideal relationship in your life, and you want to work on this connection, like step by step. The way this person want to work on this relationship step by step, you also want that. You also love this person, you are also offer this person your affection, your love, but you want an ideal relationship, and you are so stubborn in this matter. Like, yes, you want this, and you are, and that's it. Yes, like, yes, I want to offer you love, and I want an ideal relationship, and that's it. And you find out a truth. There is some kind of like, you find out something a little bit shock about this. uh, Maybe if this person is spying on you, and this person, maybe you find that, maybe they're stalking you, social media. Sometime you get to know who is the stalker, and you also, this is like a, like, not surprise, you are in a shock, but in a good one. Like, this person is maybe spying on you, and find out. Yeah, that's what I'm feeling right now, to for this tower in your side. You are shocked by this person. Maybe you are shocked because you want ideal relationship, and you want to offer love, and this person also want to offer love, and maybe you find out this person's why this person is holding some unnecessary things. They really don't want to keep that things, and they want to drop these things. Maybe a lot of things that can you find out about this person. So let's see what is the mutual feelings. And this person see you as, like, you are so like generous, you are so kind, you are supportive, like you are so supportive. And this person and you want to work on this connection, like one by one, like this. You do want to, love to work on this thing. So let's see what else we have for you. What else for Leo? What else? Okay. Devil, Queen of Wands, and as an outcome, Wheel of Fortune. Okay, Leo, get ready for a obsession. This person is going to obsessed with you, in my experience. If this person is not obsessed right now, they will. They just keep thinking about you. They will like over warm with their feelings, and you also attract toward this person. You are like this Queen of Wands. Your current situation is like that. This person is like, this person's feeling is little bit pause. This person do love you, and this person like doing this in a really like mathematical way. But suddenly this person see your, like, your charm, your sexy side, I guess. And this is this person, and this person become obsessed over you, Leo. You are so gonna drive this person crazy with your physics, with your intelligence, with your beauty, and with brain. And this is the beautiful, sexiest combination. When you are beautiful and also intelligent, and this is this person's, yeah, this is this shock and this obsession. Finally, this mathematic, like bookworm, will uh, attract towards you, like a relationship based on, like, attraction. And with this Wheel of Fortune, feelings ups and down, but in your favor. There is, when it's come with wands, Queen of Wands, especially your King of Wands, and devils in the middle. This is their feelings ups and downs. Sometimes they're just paused like this, and sometimes they just, but you arouse them, you turn them on. That kind of feelings this person will feel towards you, obsessed, paused, and then again, like, turned on. that kind of feelings this person feels towards you, and whatever this person feel for you, it will be like totally fine. You will be fine with this wheel of fortune. Wheel of fortune, beautiful outcome. You both are like blessed. Whatever happened between both of you, this your attraction become this person's obsession. This person like come out of this king of sword energy and drop their wands and drop their unnecessary things, and they feel ups and down feelings for you. But in the end, wheel of fortune is a positive outcome. It will resolve. Everything gonna be all right. So let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Pray to the god for the peace in your life. Learn from your mistakes. Play video games. Celebrate your uniqueness. Believe in destiny. Yes, Dio, you should believe in destiny and enjoy life. Okay, summary of your reading is this person want to take slow step, like ask you out, will talk you in a right, waiting for a right movement, and maybe creating a right movement by spying on you, and you will find out that this person is stalking you, and you want an ideal relationship. And then this person's feeling is they love you, but they don't know what kind of feeling they should have for you. And then eventually they know that they attract towards you like that, and this person becomes so obsessed over you after that, and their feelings are like that. With this beautiful outcome, everything is gonna be all right. These are few summary of your reading. Hope this resonated with you. I really want that. It's beautiful reading. And thank you so much for your time and your attention. God bless you. Bye.